All right, loves, so let's get straight right into unboxing. This is gonna be the first thing we're unboxing. This is the GVM Lantern Softbox, and I got these for my light. So we're gonna quickly unbox this, and yeah. So the softbox came in this bag. It's pretty lightweight, and I'm happy about that because one of the things I hate when it comes to like creating content and gear upgrades is like the bulkiness of it. And that's why I love LED panels. They are so flat, they don't take up space, but it works for me. Like right now I'm using just 2 LED lights and it's illuminating myself and the entire background, and it looks so good. So let me quickly figure out how to make this work. Perfect. Woo! We're good. We finally fixed this. Pretty easy to fix. It looks more complicated than it is, but you just have to push it down and make sure that there's a hook. There's a metal hook. Make sure it kind of like hooks in so that way it doesn't spring back out. But yeah, this is how big this one is. This is about 26 inches. Yeah, I'm curious to see what this light is gonna look like with this diffuser. It's so bulky compared to my LED lights, and I will show you guys in a bit, but this is what this one looks like. So this is the Amaran 60XS, and this is what it looks like. Let's quickly open it up. Oh, yeah, here we go. So this is what comes in the box. In here, we have a reflector right here. We also have an AC/DC adapter right here for power supply. I love that this actually came in a kit or as a kit. Yeah, so I do have an NPF battery that will work for this, but in case you do have that as well. In case you want to use your batteries, you do have that as well. And this is gonna be like a mount as well. And so the reason why we are here, the bad boy or girl, it is so small and compact, but we're gonna open this up. It says to remove the protection cover before use. So let me quickly set everything up and we can see firsthand what this looks like and compare it to my LED lights and see if it makes any difference. I love AC adapters mainly because I usually film indoors, but if you're filming outdoors, this would be a great alternative. I'm going to be using one of my light stands. I'm just going to fix this in and hopefully it's able to keep it standing. That works. Let's grab. Let's grab my softbox and put this in. So let me just do like a first impression, right? Let me plug this up and see how bright this light gets. Oh, the fan is so silent. Compared to like I can hear my LED light from here, even though like the fan is a bit silent, but this one, you can barely hear it. So I definitely need to invest in a more sturdy stand, but this is what this light is giving at 40%. All right, let me increase the intensity a little bit more. Let's see, at 100%. So let me quickly like set this up, kind of switch between my LED lights, show you guys what I have going on behind the scenes, and then see what it looks like filming with this alone. Okay, so currently I'm filming with my 2 LED lights. I have my 2 Yongnuo YN600 LED panel lights, and that's what I'm using to film right now. And this is what it looks like. This light has been serving me for years. It's been doing its thing. I want to see if just one light can give off what these 2 lights are giving, or if it was worth the upgrade or the purchase, because now I'm looking at it and it's a little bit more bulky compared to what I have going on. Okay, so this is a quick comparison. Let me quickly turn this on. Ooh, okay. So in terms, let me take this down a bit so we can see it, and take this down a bit. So in terms of size, we can see what they both look like side by side, and both of them have soft boxes as well. This LED panel is so flat and the soft box is so compact that I really do like it. This is the first time I'm having this and I'm filming with this, but this is what this cob light looks like from Amaran. This is the Amaran 60XS, and yeah, it's a bit more bulky, but I feel like it's spreading the light a little bit more even compared to this. Let me show you guys what I'm talking about. Like, look at that. Obviously, this is brighter, this is more even compared to this. Look at that. Let's quickly try this out and see what we have going on. Let me move this. Okay, so currently we have 3 lights in front of me. I have my 2 LED lights, which I've been using for years, paired with this Amaran lights. Guys, I want to see what these lights look like compared to what I've been using, and kind of do like a side-by-side comparison basically. So this is what all 3 lights look like right now turned on, and they are on their highest, all on 100%. But yeah, this is what it looks like. Okay, so what I want to do now is to turn off my Amaran light. I want to see what it looks like filming with just 1 LED light, and then 2 LED lights, and then just the Amaran light right now. So let's do that. Okay, so this is what it looks like filming with just one of my LED lights. This one is from Yongnuo, it's a YN600, and this is what it looks like, guys. I only have this light turned on, and it's on the highest. This is 100%. I wanted to show you guys what it looks like filming with 1 LED light, 2 LED lights, and then compare that against the Amaran, and then see which one looks the best, and then we'll be the judge of it. Okay, but yeah, this is what it looks like filming with just 1 video light. So I'm gonna quickly turn on my second LED lights. Okay, so we have 2 LED lights turned on, and this is what it looks like. I definitely feel like I love this one a lot more because it's a lot more flattering, especially onto my face. It's soft, it's evenly diffused, and yeah, this is what it looks like. Okay, so next up, I want to turn off the 2 LED lights and then turn on the Amaran 60XS video lights and see, and also compare as well. Okay, so this is what the Amaran 60XS video cup light looks like. Pretty soft, I think is also very powerful. We're gonna keep trying this out and testing this out and comparing it as well, but I would love to know what your thoughts are. This is what it looks like really up close. I feel like it's really soft, it's really flattering, I wouldn't even lie, but then again, I could definitely get almost the same or similar results when I use 2 of my LED lights. But yeah, this is what we're looking like now. So I turned on all the 3 lights because I kind of like how they all look like turned on. I don't know, it's giving me like a very soft, evenly lit scene, but like we still have a little bit of mystery going on behind us. But yeah, this is what the light looks like. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. I wanted to see if this was worth the upgrade. A lot of creators have raved about like having this light and this setup, and even though the setup I have is amazing, the creator in me was curious to find out and see if it is actually worth the upgrade. Because let me tell you, I searched for a lot of videos comparing this light to the regular LED panels, and I didn't really see that. So I wanted to kind of recreate that, but also to test that as well personally. So now I know what they both look like. Yeah, that is that. We do have another lighting setup that probably was not necessary, but we're gonna love it. We're gonna use it to create amazing content. And I'm curious to know what you guys think about this light. Let me know down in comment section if you think the light looks good. I don't know what it looks like until I like start editing, because that's when I see how soft it is, the shadows and every other thing, right? But just looking at it, it looks good. It looks good. But yeah, let me know what your thoughts are down in the comment section as well. And I'll see you guys in the next video. In case you guys are curious to kind of see what I have going on behind me in terms of like my lighting setup, I'll have everything linked in the description box as well. So be sure to check it out. I have all my lighting gears. I'm such a sucker for lighting. So filming this video was not a thing of option, it was a thing of must, because I'm always on the lookout to upgrade like my lighting setup. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I will see you in the next one. Till then, make sure you stay blessed and you stay fabulous. Bye.